How you guys doing?
Good. This is my construction manager.
Hey.
And,
I like it. I've been tinkering with stuff like this.
Oh yeah, nice.
So
LED
you
lights.
one horse and you're doing.
Yep. That'll max out a 1 horsepower impeller, horse and a half impeller. All depends on your plumbing and what you got going on, if it's flooded or not.
Does it run when the solar says run?
Yeah, well, when the sun comes up, it turns on.
Yeah.
It's variable speed by the sun. So you have high RPMs from like 10, 30, 9 o'clock all the way to around 2 or 3.
It'll slow down as the sun goes down.
Or a big cloud, white cloud goes over, it loses maybe 500 RPM.
So that's great for your primary pump, and then if you have water features, you have to have on demand. But you can go to a different type of pump.
Yeah, we're finding a lot of customers like the solar power water feature because it has a different sound effects for the different days and the morning and everything. So people are digging free pumping on the water features because it's just a different vibe on the natural environment.
The whole time, you're right. I think the real thing is the filter pump.
Oh yeah, that's the filter pump. Yeah, no doubt about it. That's all we sell, filter pump.
So you said you had a package that includes the panels and everything? Or?
Yes, I do. Yeah, that's the package there.
So you want to do the one horse?
Yeah, complete package kit, $36.99. That's also like $400 in shipping and pallet and all that.
And then so those have to go obviously in a high.
Yeah, the panels are 40 inches wide and they're about 6 feet tall. And they're 375 watts that we're sending.
There's 4 of them?
3 of them for the 1 horsepower.
So you almost do a roof, like you said, for your...
over the pool equipment or wherever.
On a shed or...
Yeah. Well, it's cool that you got a 30% tax credit for the install and the buying it. So, you can get people some ideas that you can, because you guys do construction, so putting some cement in, some posts, and make some money.
Well, it's a good thing to know about, that's for sure.
Yeah, here's the heater too. Bullet points on our heater.
Solar heater.
Oh, feel how warm that
That's
water.
really going to be popular in California.
Feel
Yeah.
how warm
Yeah. That's a nano heater.
Okay.
It's the first nano heater in the market.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it's a nanoparticle, and an electron hits it, AC or DC electron, vibrates it, makes 170 degrees.
I'm sorry,
There's millions of them. No worries.
Kind of cool.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's the best heater in the marketplace right now. They'll last 100 years. There's no moving parts.
I mean, that's especially for California, because the swimming, like in Arizona, you have to damn near cool half the time. But like in San Diego,
that's going to be my new
LA,
pool cooler right there. Right.
You almost need that.
Yeah, well, when I do the home show in Arizona in the fairgrounds, everybody wants the heater. They go, I want to get my heater, gosh darn it.
Shit, I've had a pool my whole life. I swim 5-6 months a year, and
Yeah, how are you heating yourself?
No.
Oh, you're not heating at all? Right.
Air induction.
Well, a lot of people are babies. You're no baby, but some people are a little babyish,
I could see maybe May, October, maybe April, but...
Yeah.
You're right, but there's really nothing there. It's just solar.
Oh, yeah. There's PV. And it's also a grid tie, so it can run on the grid. Yeah.
I like that pump better, though.
Oh, yeah. That's a great pump there.
Almost virtually a...
That's on 80 volts. That's 2 solar panels right there. So it comes with one more. So that water feature would be over here. Right here.
Yeah, so you're pushing probably...
100 gallons.
Well, right now, I don't know if you're pushing that much, but yeah, that's what you need to fire up a lot of these clean systems and pools now.
Yeah.
But the idea, you're not paying for...
Not a dime, yeah. And it works great in the cloud, just like we get sunburns in the cloud. The solar panel works great, yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Hey, nice meeting you.
You as well. Thanks so much.
Take care now.
You too.